Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming basics quickly. Sign into the exact Microsoft account that collects points, then open the rewards dashboard so you can see current status. Once done, make sure your browser allows cookies and tracking for Microsoft. Com and Bing. Com so searches register. Also verify you're not using an anonymous window or strict privacy extension. If you use multiple profiles, switch to the one tied to rewards. This prevents points landing in another account and saves time on later steps. Next, you handle the browser layer. Clear cache and cookies specifically for Microsoft. Com and Bing. Com so stale tokens aren't blocking point registration. Then disable ad blockers, privacy extensions, or script blockers and run a test search. If that works, re-enable selectively. Make sure Bing is set as your default search engine and that any browser that syncs account data is configured. If you use the Rewards app or Edge, sign out and sign back in to refresh the session and tokens. To finish, run a set of test actions, 5 certified searches, a quiz, and then check the rewards counter so you confirm new points credit. If nothing appears after trying another browser or the mobile app, file a report via rewards support with timestamps and account details so they can trace the issue. As a practical workaround, you can earn on Microsoft Edge or the official mobile app for 1 or 2 days while support investigates. Troubleshooting tip: if points still fail, try creating a fresh browser profile to isolate problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.